today is a really special day because Yuka is going to meet the booby of a cow. It's gonna be the first time for her to milk a cow, and for that we came to San Pedro de los Milagros, which is a small town to the north of Medellin. It's like around 1.5 hours to get here, and we are gonna go to a milking place. Now everything is automated, but we want her to try.
I cannot wait to.
But of course we start everything with a coffee. Yukako's hands are minutes away from a titty. Here is where they have the milking station. As you can see, they will put these suction machines in the booby, and they have space for like 4 at the same time. They have all the different vet supplies. So the idea with the cows is that they need to move them from one zone to the other one as they eat the grass in the different zones. Like that, the grass has a chance to grow up again. This is after eating, and this is before eating. Look at the huge grass here. My mom is a farmer already. She's helping more than anybody, look at that. Every day each cow is going to eat between 60 and 80 kilos of grass. That's why they have to keep moving them all the time. This cow is the oldest in this one, and she's 16 years old.
¿Estás ordeñando acá?
La escurro porque ella no sube a la sala. Entonces la mastiti.
How are you doing, mi amor? How is the experience so far?
Good. They poop a lot.
They poop a lot.
¿No tiene energía, pajarito?
She was born yesterday.
Toquen. ¿Qué sí se ve?
Oh.
Yesterday.
Nació ayer, de verdad.
Esa es hija de
Ay,
esa
no.
vaquita.
¿Me bajo? Ay, no.
So she escaped far from mom, and now she's
Ella es como Dios me
reunited.
lleve, Dios me traiga. Sí.
Now she can have some milk. Look how cute.
Mire que estas vacas no son bravas.
Ah.
Si fuera otra raza, estarían atacando a uno.
Ah.
Se ponen celosas con el hijo.
Sí.
Están muy. Y se le da a cada vaca dependiendo la leche que dé, 2 kilos. Se le da 1 kilo de cuido por cada 5 litros de leche producida. Que la uva es una glándula que ella se llena, entonces ella no va a producir más. Ella llega y ya. Entonces si está vacía, ella empieza a trabajar. Entonces hay que tenerla vaciada. 2 o 3 o más veces al día. Si es buena productora, ojalá fuera 3 o 4 veces. ¡Venga!
They are getting the call and they will start walking up here. So he asked me to hide here so I can record how they start going without stressing them. And you can see already the queue of cows. They are so cute, ready to get milked, and Yukako is just minutes from that teat. There are around 50 cows in total that will give milk, and each of them will do between 40 to 60 liters per day. Wow. Like a vacuum. All of them are ready to be milked now. Looking forward to it.
Ya está trabajando, ya está por la mañana.
Ella ya sabe que ya se tiene que ir.
Esas cantinas por 40.
Bonita, es un embudo más grande, ¿no?
Sí, huele bien rico.
Aquí se le abre y va directo al tanque.
So now the tank starts working to keep the milk cool. She's the one that is gonna get milked by Yuka.
Porque
She's getting her technique ready. So they're gonna tie her up so that it's safer for the castle to try. Sit there, and then you go.
Nicholas, how?
No, but you need to do it. No milk. Oh. You did it. You did it. Wow.
No, salió buena.
Wow.
Vea.
Expert already.
Pero no salió buena.
Wow. Oh, how was it?
It was difficult.
Yeah.
It was not like this. Squeeze and pull, like squeeze and pull.
Once the milking is done, this needs to be cleaned up again. All the poop. The exercise is insane, and he does this twice a day. Once during midday and also midnight. Brave man, brave man. Now they go back home to eat more and start the process all over again. While he continues with the milking, we are gonna go to have a really traditional soup that one of the neighbors cooked for us. So it's gonna be a really, really local experience. Oh my god, I was not recording. This is a really traditional sudao, and now Yukako is going all in. Let's see.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Good?
Rice with spaghetti.
Rice with spaghetti, yeah. It's a Paisa innovation.
It's really nice. Actually, really nice.
Yeah. Really hearty food. More, how was the experience with the lunch?
It was delicioso.
It was delicious. They were super kind people, right?
Yeah,
really beautiful
very
people.
welcoming.
They told us to come back to sleep if we wanted to. They are lovely. Yeah, maybe one of these days we have to come back.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind.
Star.
See the stars at night.
Midnight milking.
Yeah, so one of them actually goes milking midnight. So he said, oh, we can go midnight and then at the 3 a.m. as well. So yeah, really good. And our experience is finishing.
I know. A bit sad to leave this beautiful farm.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can come back.
Yeah.
Milk again.
Oh, you're an expert now. Maybe they will hire you.
Maybe.